Hello, my name is Christopher and welcome to my workshop. In this episode I will start to disassemble my sr500 engine. I bought this engine a year ago and I thought I would do a complete teardown and a full restoration just to learn how an engine works and gain some knowledge. First, let's have a look at the condition. The engine is a bit dirty and partly disassembled by the previous owner, but seems to be in good condition. There was no carburetor included, so I will have to buy that later. The engine number has been removed and that makes it a bit hard to identify the engine, but according to the previous owner it's a model from 1979. But if anyone out there could help me determine this, that would be great. To assist me, I of course have the Haynes workshop manual. It contains all the necessary information about the engine and how to disassemble it and also how to put it back together. The first instruction under dismantling the engine and gearbox is to clean the engine thoroughly. So let's start with that. I'll start with the vacuum cleaner to get all the loose debris. Next, I will use some engine cleaner to get some of the oil. To get in between the air fins, I will use a small brush. After that, I will use some compressed air to dry the engine and also blow away some of the smaller debris. I'm now ready to start taking the engine apart. Since some of the parts has already been taken off, I can skip some of the steps in the instructions. For example, I don't have to rotate the engine to get both valves closed. You should do this so there isn't any tension on the rocker box when you take it off. The bearings on the camshaft are in pretty bad condition, so I'll have to buy new ones. Time to remove the spark plug. This one was pretty seized up, so I decided to spray it with the WD-40 and let that sink in, and then remove it after I removed the cylinder head. Another instruction was to loosen the cam chain tensioner, but since the whole sprocket is off, I can skip that step. Next, I will remove the cam chain tensioner. To keep everything organized, I will use plastic bags to store all the parts. Time to get that spark plug off. This one was really seized, as you can hear from all my grunting, but eventually it came off. The threads seem to be in good condition. Time for the cylinder barrel. When breaking the joint, be careful so you don't hit the fins. This will easily break. There's not a lot of scratches in there, which is really good. That's it for this episode. In the next one I will take off the piston and continue to disassemble the engine. Thanks for watching.